Welcome to this video on the engineering and efficiency of front-load washing machines. These machines use gravity to drive motion, sensors to control the cycle, and a unique design to save resources. The horizontal drum orientation is a fundamental change. Unlike traditional vertical drums requiring mechanical agitators, the horizontal drum alters the physics and chemistry of the wash cycle entirely. The dual drum system in front loaders creates a shallow pool of water at the bottom, using 40 to 50% less water compared to traditional top loaders. Gravity replaces the mechanical agitator. The drum rotates slowly, at 40 to 50 RPM, using internal baffles to lift the wet clothes, allowing gravity to pull them down into the shallow water. This gentle motion protects fabric fibers. Sensors manage the precise wash sequence. Load sensors weigh the dry clothes. The inner control board manages all steps, and a thick rubber gasket seals the door before the wash begins. Horizontal spin maximizes water extraction. The motor accelerates to 1,400 RPM. Centrifugal force pushes water out through the drum holes, leading to drier clothes that require less secondary heat energy from the dryer. Suspension systems neutralize high-speed forces. Heavy-duty springs and shock absorbers support the outer drum and bottom frame. Concrete counterweights add mass to stabilize the machine against the immense vibration created by wet laundry. Software prevents catastrophic imbalance. Sensors detect clumped laundry during a slow rotation. The machine stops the spin and tumbles the clothes to automatically redistribute the weight, protecting the motor and bearings. The low-water chemistry of front loaders requires high-efficiency, or HE, detergent. Standard soap creates thick foam, which can confuse the internal sensors. HE soap produces very few bubbles. Airtight seals can trap unwanted moisture, which can breed mold and odors. Owners must leave the door slightly ajar after a cycle, and the tub clean cycle helps kill residual bacteria. The efficiency diagnostic matrix shows substantial gains. Front-load machines use significantly less water and energy, require HE detergent, and feature much higher spin speeds than traditional top loaders. The mechanical design drives global sustainability. The horizontal axis reduces global water consumption and household utility bills, while handling delicate fabrics with care due to less agitator stress. Artificial intelligence optimizes the future wash. New features include auto-dosing tanks for exact detergent measurement, AI sensors for load and fabric detection, and steam injectors for sanitization without harsh chemicals. The tumble science continues to evolve.